Hi, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to use the Infinite Campus app that you can download on your phone for the parent portal. You'll just go to your phone's app store, whichever kind of Android or iPhones. Both of them have the Infinite Campus app, and you'll download the Infinite Campus parent mobile app right here. And then you'll put in your username and password just like you do on the computer. And when you log in, you will go to the settings page, and it will show your district and username. And one of the greatest things about this app is this notification section down here. You can click on the notifications, turn them to green, and then you can say, like, if assignments are less than 75%, you can be notified. If attendance, if there's a day missing, you can be notified for that. And grades, so if a grade is put in that is less than 80%, or using the plus or minus keys, you can make that higher or lower, however you want that. And then press Save Settings, and your phone will send you notifications about the grades that your students are getting. But make sure that you have the notifications in the settings of your phone that Infinite Campus can send your phone notifications. So make sure you do that as well. It's a great tool to have. So when you go into the students, you can select each student right here. So you use this arrow and pull down the student's name that you want. And you can go to grades and check their grades. Now, you need to make sure before you look at the grades that you have gone down to the bottom of the app and press this arrow right here. Every time you look at the grades, you need to make sure you refresh the app. That way you have the most up-to-date grades. So make sure you press this and make sure this pops up, last refresh, whatever day you are working on, make sure it's refreshed so you can see the most up-to-date grades for your student. Once you go into the grades, it's just like on the computer. Anything in yellow, any grade in yellow is still in progress. So the semester average right here is still in progress. That means it's not finalized yet. Grades that have been finalized are in green, just like on the computer. And that was it. It's a pretty easy app to navigate, and it's a great tool to have right at your hand if you need to look up something for your student. If you have any questions about Infinite Campus on the computer or the app, just contact your homeroom teacher and they can help you figure out the answers. Bye.